It's a beautiful day. It's my daughter's birthday. Let's have a sneak peek of her cake. She told me she wants a YouTube cake, which will be taken to her class. So I don't want to remove it from the box, but this is how it looks. Let's peep through. It looks so nice. You can see. I'll take photos later when we open it. So that's the cake. And then I have to pack party bags for all the children in her class. And I'm gonna pack with you guys. Look at this birthday card. Let me show you. How cute is this card? So her classmates are gonna write inside here. I think it's so cute. And then some of the things I'll pack are these safari puffs. I have a box of biscuits there. And then what else? Lollipops here. Then I'm going to blow some balloons that I will take with me in the car. And then some candles for the cake. Yeah. So stay tuned. I'll keep you posted, especially the cake. I'll show you the cake when we open it. And if you love the design, I'll share the number of the person who makes the cakes, the yummiest cakes. She told me she wants vanilla mint flavor. So it's a YouTube cake. And then it's vanilla mint flavor. This is just for the class. I'll still do a party for home later. Yeah. That's my breakfast on my daughter's birthday. Guys, do you also treat yourselves when it's your child's birthday? I do. For me, I do. So today is my daughter's birthday and I just made this special breakfast for myself. Sausages and some veggies. And yeah, I wanna take the breakfast. And then I start packing the party bags for the children in her class. I'll try and take you along. Let me see. We see what I'll pack. And I know I'll not be allowed to shoot, but I have to take a picture of the cake when we open it in class. Yeah. So this is the outfit. Then I'm carrying this bag. This is a Tommy Hilfiger. I got this in a Tommy Hilfiger shop in Vienna. so cute.
All I know is I'm blind.
This is me. I'm about to leave now. Guys, I'm in the car heading to school, and this is where I put the cake. So guys, I'm in school. Let me reduce the volume. I'm in school, and I'll show you the cake. The cake is here, and then the gifts are here. The party bags for the kids are here. That's my bag. This is a container I'll use to carry the extra cake that will remain. And I'm just waiting. I am 30 minutes early, which is okay. So guys, I'm done. We are done with the class party. It went so well. Now it's time to go home. And I'm picking them. They're waiting for me somewhere in the front. So I think we can go.